Hello friends, today I will show you my another strategy. This strategy is also good, maximum time it will work. So let's start. Okay friend, first of all please subscribe my channel and do comment. It's really helpful for me to understand my strategy good or bad. So please subscribe my channel and also do comment. Okay. Friend, always avoid news time because news time that time market is not good. So always avoid news time. Okay. Okay, friend. I'm just finding proper signal. This signal is really good signal. Maximum time you will win. You can't imagine. Okay. I'm just drawing. Just wait. Please don't hurt. If you do this, you can't win. You can't win any trade. So mind it. Don't hurry. Maximum time you will win if you follow my rules. 100%. 98% you will win. You can't imagine. Just wait. Please friends subscribe my channel and do comments. It's really helpful for me to understand my strategy good or bad. So please do comment. Okay friends, actually okay, just wait. I'm finding billinger. Then I will tell you. I will clear you. Just wait. Just wait. I will clear you everything. First of all, please you should understand properly. Our main problem, we don't spend much time. If it's a main problem, you always do hurry. That's why every trade we lose. Just wait. I will tell you everything. Net problem. That's why. Just wait, friend. Net problem. Shit. Okay, friend. Actually, net problem. That's why I can't understand. I thought this candle is red candle, but right now I just see it's a green candle. Okay, it's not my mistake, actually it's a net problem, that's why I can't understand properly. Okay, it's not a big deal. This trade I will win. Okay. Don't worry, I will clear you. Just wait and be calm. Sorry for that. Actually, I'm doing big mistake. Just wait. I'm doing big mistake here because I just set it wrong way. That's why I'm sorry for that. Got it, friend? I'm just okay. Just relax. Don't hurry. Otherwise, you can't understand properly. It's main problem. We always do hurry. That time we lose our money. But please do understand properly. Otherwise, don't go. And also you should clear it properly. So you just wait. I will clear you properly. If you do hurry, you can't understand properly. That's why I just tell you, please do it. And please friend, do comment and please subscribe my channel. Otherwise, I don't understand properly my strategy good or bad. Please do comments. It's really helpful for me to make another video. And also that time I will share my another video. So please do comments. I'm just clear it. Net problem. That's why it's a main problem. Okay. See this. When you will see red candle and 3 green candle continuously, and also normal candle, and then when you will see red candle, then just give put 98% you will win. Sometimes you will lose. That time if you want to take more risks, that time you just trade here. Which amount you have lost, you just give double and just set put 97% you will win. And also sometimes it does not work. That times market is bad. That's why that time you should not trade again and again. You just should stop, not trade. That time you should just wait for proper signal. When you will get that time, you just recap your money. So don't hurry. Okay, I will see this red candle, red candle, green candle, green candle, green candle, red candle, fast trade, first trade loss, second trade war. See this, first trade loss, second trade war. First trade loss, that means green candle, green candle, green candle, red candle, red candle. First trade loss. You just set put, but here green. That means you have lost. That time you can give double. Red candle. Okay. See this. Green candle, red candle, red candle, red candle. 3 red candle, green candle, here green candle. That means it's a support level, support candle. Green candle must be, and also 3 green red candle or green candle. Then you will set call. Maximum time you will win. See this, red candle, red candle. It's a support candle and also 3 green candle. First trade loss, you trade set here but not work. Second trade you will win. See this. Okay, another. Okay, red candle, first red candle, this red candle, it's a support candle, and 3 red candle, 3 green candle, first trade lot, second trade war. See this, red candle, green candle, sorry for that, green candle, green candle, it's a support candle, 3 red candle, must be 3 red candle, otherwise don't trade. 3 red candle, first trade win. Okay, just wait. Okay, see this, green candle, red candle, green candle, not work. Here you have lost. Please stop that time, not trade anymore. Just stop, and you should always wait proper signal. Actually, this will get so few. Okay, see this, red candle, 3 green candle, red candle, red candle, first trade win. See this, red candle, 3 green candle, red candle, it's a support candle, red candle, red candle. See this, win. Okay, you will more signal, you can't imagine. So you should just wait for proper signal. See this, red candle, 3 green candle, red candle, first trade win. See this. Okay, see this, green candle, 3 red candle, first trade loss, second trade win. You will get more signal. See this, red candle, 3 green candle, my calculation 3 green candle and also 2 support candle, red candle or green candle, or 3 green candle or red candle, red candle win, first trade win. Okay, you will get more signal, you can't imagine. Please friends, subscribe my channel and also do comments. That time I will share my another strategy, and I will also get inspired to share my another strategy. If you want to get more strategy, please subscribe my channel and also do comment. See this, red candle, 3 green candle, red candle, first trade loss, that it's first trade loss, second trade win. Okay friends, first of all please practice in your demo account, and after that you should use this strategy in your real account, otherwise not, because this market is really risky market. That's why you should understand properly to use this strategy properly, and after that you should go your real account, otherwise not, because this market is really risky market. And that's why I always tell you, please practice in your real account. Sorry for that, practice in your demo account. After that you should go your real account, otherwise not. Okay, have a good day.